Hey guys, it's your girl, Shirley Jordan, and my assistant,
Buddy back.
And we have a package from Tocara. Let's see what's in it.
New message is received from Cash App number. New message is received from Cash App number.
Hey.
Hear that Cash App? Ching ching. Payments being made. So this is Tocara. This is a jewelry company. Let's see what's in this kit. Open. Okay, well, he's opening that one, so we'll see what's in there. Let's open up the bag. Okay, this is the kit. If I'm not, I will put the price up under here. I can't exactly remember the price of the kit. This is the bag that comes in. You can put the jewelry in. Let's see. There's a nice little necklace. Or I would say this is a bracelet. Oh. Jewelry.
Nice.
That's a necklace.
Post some videos every single day.
That look like a brooch in there.
A brooch.
So this is the kit. Okay, open that one. Okay, top. These are real pretty boxes that they're putting their jewelry in. Okay, here we have the Tree of Life. Bless you. A little green stone. And it comes with a little meshes in it. This says Wildflowers, Seed of Hope. Cool. That was all in there. So, anything else in there? Is this it?
It's more.
And there's more! So, wish I had my feet in the way. Sorry, guys. Didn't mean for y'all to see those toes. Success starts. Welcome book.
You heard that?
And this is another set of books. So, guys, even if you want to see what the brochures have in them, you know, you can always contact me, send me a message, Facebook me, Messenger, inbox me. My numbers is on my, well, most people know how to find me. Oh, there's still some more stuff in here. My assistant is not on his job today.
Yes, I am.
This is my invoice. They have this is the fast start. It tells you how you, thanks JoJo, how to earn and rewards. Oh, the kit was $33. This kit's $33. And we have two catalogs, pretty thick, with different products. Ooh, they have some nice looking jewelry in here. I'm gonna have to sit down and really look at these books. I'm already seeing stuff that I like. But guys, once again, it's your girl, Shirley Jordan, and my assistant, Buddy Matt. And once again, I will post all the information up under the video. And thank you for watching our videos.